In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the HTML structure of a Jimdo website. Since Jimdo does not provide a direct access to the HTML code, we'll use an alternative method to inspect the page's structure. Listen carefully as I explain the steps. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Jimdo. And then this method works for both Jimdo Dolphin and Jimdo Creator. Now, right-click to anywhere on the page and select the inspect or press F11 or the Ctrl plus Shift and then the letter I on your keyboard. And once the developer tools shows, click the elements tab to see the HTML codes of different sections. You can hover over elements to highlight them on the website. You can expand and collapse sections to explore the full page structure. And that's it. That's how you see HTML in Jimdo. Since Jimdo doesn't allow direct HTML editing, using browser developer tools is the best way to inspect your website structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.